Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split your workspace into two screens on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to move the player to the left, the media to the left, or the details to the left, or even the timeline. So you can move between these four. Simply select this button right here, and if you go to media first, it's going to put the media to the left. If you select player first, it's going to move that to the left. You can't see it right now because I'm screen recording, but trust me, it's going to be moved to the left. And if you want to make it so it's the default again, just simply select default layout and it's going to bring you back to the first screen, to like the main screen. But that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!